Raytools Laser Welder. Welcome to use Raytools Laser Welder. Let me introduce the component and using manual. First, packing list, factory inspection report, and quick guide. Welding head and wire feeding components. Handheld welding control kit and display. Switching power supply and consumable S package. Accessory bag includes a crocodile clip, 1 open-end wrench, 3 protective glasses, inner angle welding nozzle, 1.2 and 1.6 normal wire feed nozzles, outer angle nozzle, outer wire feed nozzle, 1.2 and 1.6 mm. 1.0 1.2 1.6 copper wire feeding nozzle, cutting nozzle, weld, cleaning nozzle. Wire feeding machine. For core wire. Wire feeding hose. 0.8 to 1.8 wire feeding wheels. Wire feeding hose install guide. Mount on wire feed nozzle. Insert copper nozzle. Slowly pass through the wire feed window. Locking screw. Loose the top screw. Remove the rear nut. Insert the wire feeding hose. Lock it tight. Wire feeding component install and adjusting. Install the wire feeding nozzle. Use 2 M3 screw, fix it on torch. Tighten the nut with a wrench. Adjust the wire feeding angle. Tight it with Allen screwdriver. Shielding gas adjustment. S with on manual blow button. Advised nitrogen or argon. Adjust it to 15-25 L per minute. Now switch off manual gas blow mode. Readjust according to the workpiece during actual use. Welding nozzle user guide. Inner angle welding nozzle. No need wire feed. Normal welding nozzle adapted to 0.8 1.2 wire. Apply for inner outer, but weld. Normal 1.6 nozzle adopted 1.2 16 mm wire. Apply for inner outer, but welding. Outer angle welding nozzle, apply for outer angle welding. Outer angle feeding welding nozzle, apply for outer angle. 0.8 1.2 or 1.2 1.6 mm wire. Welding and cutting function exchange method. Remove the wire feeding hose. Fix the cutting nozzle on cutting base. Remove the weld copper nozzle. Mount the cutting nozzle on the torch. Welding seam washing exchange method. Remove the weld feeding hose. Rotate to loosen this nut. Insert the weld seam wash nozzle.